Oh, there's water. It ain't even milk, dude.
Look at that.
It's dripping too much.
That's that chocolate milk.
Skim milk.
Last look before it gets just filthy. So, note to self, if I'm ever going on a ride where it's sort of like an event and the wife's not coming, bring the wife's four-wheeler. PA, just bring it. No one's gonna steal it, just leave it on the trailer. Why? Because A, because if you break your stuff, you still have a bike to ride. And B, when the wife says, hey, I would like to come ride tonight, you don't have to go all the way back to the house. Just saying.
I ain't drunk enough for this.
Right. My wife's like, that's the cleanest you've ever looked. I'm, yeah, because I was just letting other people send it and I was recording. This is actually a nice little change of pace. Now you just showing off. Are you guys working on a act? Okay, fair enough.
Hey.
Nah, you don't want to go that way.
Where'd my headlights go? I had headlights.
What's up, guys? Normally, I always forget to do the intros on these rides, the Carters, but heading to Carters to meet up with a few guys, a few of the bros. This is the Hunter ride, a charity ride. About to run to the post office real quick, drop some of the wife's orders out as a journal business that she makes custom journals for, which is Clarence's Custom Books. I'll drop a link somewhere in this video, somewhere in the description below. But basically, she makes custom journals. So if you have a favorite sport team, your kids in elementary school, middle school, basically anything that you could think of that you would need a journal for, she can make a cover for. She also makes planners and all the full 9 yards. Guys, we got that dropped off. I really, the crazy part is, I really should do more vlogging, because for some reason my vlog videos actually do decent numbers. Don't know why that is. I don't know, which is interesting. My wife said, like, you should do more vlogs, you should do more vlogs, and I really need to. But anyway, guys, we're gonna close out the vlog. On our way to Carter's for the Hunter ride. I'll drop flyer probably now. So we're on the way. It's a little before 10:30. Be there shortly. Yeah. We're out here. This is Smiley and his group. Are you guys working on a act? Okay, fair enough. Oh, some more oil. So this is why I fired the GoPro up to go see this.
Milkshake.
Oh, there's water. It ain't even milk, dude.
Look at that.
It's dripping too
That's
much.
that chocolate milk.
Skim milk.
Yeah.
Yikes.
It's a Honda. This gonna smoke like a son of a gun. Last look before it gets just filthy. Just in the winch. So channel, you might ask yourself, PA, why are you muddy with an empty trailer heading home? Why would you be doing that? Why would you be leaving a mud park at 4 in the afternoon? Well, you know, I guess, you know, me and my bros, or I'll take blame. I don't know what happened. Dropped the ball on communication, staying out at Carter's. So I called the wife, let her know. She's like, oh, okay, are you guys night riding? Oh, is there mud out there? What that all means is I would like to ride my four-wheeler too. I just didn't want to ride during the daytime. I'm heading back to the house to go get her and then head back out there. It's probably gonna take me about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Now, the good thing about this is I was not prepared to stay out there, which is fine. You know, I'll rough it, no big deal. I'm not really roughing inside a toy hauler, brand new joint. That's not really roughing it. Shout out to Bro Meezy. I wasn't prepared. No gas for the generators, beverages for me for, you know, a couple hours, some water. That's it. I got some food, and so the good thing is I am coming back so I can get her, actually get some supplies, and then head back out there. We're gonna cook, and then we're gonna night ride, so that should be pretty cool. My wife's like, that's the cleanest you've ever looked. I'm like, yeah, because I was just letting other people send it and I was recording. This is actually a nice little change of pace, because normally I'm leading, finding all the holes, testing all the holes out, getting buried, and I wasn't. Smiley was. So shout out Smiley for leading us out there. I'm sure he'll lead us tonight. Sometimes refreshing not having to lead the group. He was doing a good job, always looking back, making sure everyone was there. It's just, when you lead the ride, you have to make sure everyone's there. You gotta make sure the routes are good for everybody. And then you have to make sure that the ride's entertaining for everybody. So, depending on skill level, definitely was interesting. I'm taking the exit now. The things you do for your loved ones. But anyway, guys, I'm about 10 minutes from the house. Note to self, if I'm ever going on a ride where it's sort of like an event and the wife's not coming, bring the wife's four-wheeler. PA, just bring it. No one's gonna steal it, just leave it on the trailer. Why? Because A, because if you break your stuff, you still have a bike to ride. And B, when the wife says, hey, I would like to come ride tonight, you don't have to go all the way back to the house. Just saying. Just saying, PA.